for ordering from flowersforwedding.com. We want your flowers to look fresh and beautiful for your big day, so be sure to process them immediately upon arrival. It's important to get them out of the box, trimmed, and hydrating in water as soon as possible. Begin by cutting the plastic straps from the outside of the box and removing the lid. Grab the inner handles and carefully pull out the cardboard inserts. You should find a plastic envelope with flower food packets and instructions inside. Notice that all the bouquets have been labeled for your convenience. Loosen the hook and loop fasteners from the large bouquets and gently remove all the wrapping. Remove the wrapping and water tubes from the corsages and boutonnieres, and take care to keep the attached pins. Fill several vases, containers, or glasses with water. Note that the water level should be low enough to not saturate the ribbon. Add some flower food and stir. It's very important for you to trim a little bit off the flower stem before setting it into water. Take the boutonniere and corsages out of the water tubes and refill with water. Gently cut the end of the stems and replace into the water tube. We recommend storing flowers in a refrigerator above 34 degrees or in a cool, dry place until ready for use. Please give us a call within 24 hours of expected delivery with any questions or concerns. Enjoy your big day and best wishes on your next chapter.